أصوم فينشرح قلبي، آذان الفجر يغمرني بصوت ندائه العذبي، مع النجمات ينثرني أصوم فينشرح قلبي، ويهدى البال وتهنى الحال لخل قد رأى خله، مضى عام على لقياه، ما أحلاه قد حله.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to the 14th episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. Before we jump in and start the 14th episode, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Step 14. Floor slab or roof structure. The formwork is started to construct a slab resting on the column and beam. Over slab formwork, slab reinforcement is put according to slab detail drawing. Tip 40. Insurance policies. Insurance policies you will want to look for are workers' compensation, helps employees when they are injured on the job. General liability protects the company from getting sued into bankruptcy, more or less. So by this we can conclude the 14th episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. See you tomorrow at the same time, Insha Allah.